Hello everyone. So today we are going to address a couple of bugs that we had in our menu system. The first thing is this graphic settings. If you change this and apply, and if you close the game and come back, they don't save. This was a very easy thing to fix, so I will show that first. And also there was another issue where these difficulty settings were not loaded properly. And also this mouse sensitivity as well. So please note that this mouse sensitivity is just an option here that you can of course save and load, but the actual sensitivity is something that you need to implement into your character using the saved values inside your character blueprint. So yeah, let me discard that. And also we worked on this French as well, how to add a new language, so that is also working. Yeah, so now these things are also in French, so let me go back and change it. Alright, so now let's see one by one how to fix the errors that we have, the bugs we have. I have already fixed them. I'll just show you how did I fix them, so you can do the same. And before we get started, let me quickly remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel. To the date, there are over 2000 videos. For each video, project files are available. Once you become a member, you can access everything. And here is the full playlist of this series. Everything is implemented from scratch, so you can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself too. Right, now let's get back to fixing the problems. So the first thing is this graphic settings issue. So to fix this, all you have to do is, if you go to this apply options, here just add a sequence here, and in the second one just call this apply settings on game user settings. That's all you have to do. And also you might do the same thing in the display options as well, because this also has some stuff related to graphics and display. So under apply options, yeah, at the end you can just get the game user settings and apply settings. That's the first thing, very easy to fix. And the other thing is, it's a bit complicated related to this here gameplay options, initializing these difficulty settings and mouse sensitivity. Here the reason that it was not working is I'm using this BBCLM user settings subsystem, and I use this get difficulty settings function implemented within the user settings subsystem that I have created. Now the problem with this was, even though subsystems are supposed to be loaded automatically, it wasn't the case for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's a issue with the engine bug. Maybe it's an engine bug. I don't really know, but I found a way to force loading this subsystem. So what I did is, here in the game instance, because this is a game instance subsystem, so in the game instance I created a custom game instance here, BPCLM game instance, and here I override this init event, and here I get BPCLM user settings subsystem, and I created this load settings async event that I have created. So basically it's just the same thing as the load settings, but this is an event. Here if I don't have the saved game object, I check if I have the slot, saved slot. If yes, I load it like this and cache it. So when I do that, when I have a reference, a hard reference within the game instance class that I have used, this is forced to load. This subsystem is forced to load. So when I want to use it in my gameplay options, now this is, we do get a valid reference, and this was working. So that's the solution to that, and I have assigned my game instance here. So yeah, once you do those things, the system save and load, and all other options are working perfectly. Alright, that's all I want to cover in this episode. So let me know if you have any further bugs with the system. I will address them as well. And yeah, as always, updated project files will be available in my Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video. Goodbye.